Everyone thinks the best-selling pressure washer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Tool Daily Foam Cannon. First up is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. Priced at just $17.99, this accessory caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 50,000 reviews. If you want a reliable foam cannon for your pressure washer, this is worth a serious look. What makes this really stand out is its adjustable snow foam lance that connects easily with a quick connector fitting. It works with pressures ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 psi, which means you can use it on various pressure washers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows you to create a thick foam that clings to surfaces, making cleaning so much easier. Plus, the 5 different nozzle tips mean you can adjust the angle for whatever task you have at hand, whether it's washing your car or cleaning the driveway. Now, some buyers did mention that the plastic construction feels a bit flimsy, which honestly surprised me given its popularity. But here's the thing, as long as you handle it with care, it should serve you well. It's a solid choice for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your cleaning routine. Skip this one if you need something industrial grade or plan to use it heavily without caution. For under $20, it's a good value. Now, if the plastic build of the Tool Daily Foam Cannon bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Westinghouse Foam Cannon. Next up is the Westinghouse Foam Cannon, priced at $17.86. This one's also a bestseller with a 4.5-star rating from 646 reviews. If you want professional-grade foam without breaking the bank, you should definitely check this out. What impressed me about this foam cannon is its ability to create thick, even coverage of foam. This versatility is a game-changer because it can handle tough cleaning jobs, whether it's your car or outdoor surfaces. Plus, it's easy to use, just fill up the soap reservoir and you're good to go. However, a few users pointed out that the foam output could be better. I'll be real with you. While it does a great job, it may not produce the thickest foam if you're using low-quality soap. But for most cleaning tasks, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable foam cannon that can tackle various surfaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something super heavy-duty. For under $20, it delivers great value for home cleaning. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3: Tool Daily Dual Connector Foam Cannon. Now we have the Tool Daily Foam Cannon with dual connector accessory priced at $30.99. This caught my eye because it comes with a dual connector setup, which can be really handy. If you want flexibility in your foam cleaning, this one's worth considering. This foam cannon also features a 1-liter capacity and operates under 1,000 to 3,000 psi. The standout feature is the 2-way shuttle valve, which allows you to switch between the foam cannon and pressure washer tip without disassembling anything. This setup saves you time during cleaning, which is a big plus if you're busy. Also, the adjustable nozzle means you can customize the foam thickness and spray pattern, making it really user-friendly. But some customers have mentioned that the dual connector can be a bit tricky to set up at first. Here's the thing, once you get it figured out, it's a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. Just be prepared to spend a couple of minutes getting used to it. This is perfect for you if you value ease of use and versatility in your cleaning routine. Skip this if you don't want to deal with extra setup time. For $30, it's a decent investment. Now, if you're looking for something with more power and performance, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4: Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer. Next is the Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer, priced at $109. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews, this one is a bit of an investment. If you want a powerful all-in-one solution, this is a solid contender. The included foam cannon makes applying soap super easy, and with a 20-foot hose, you'll have plenty of reach. It's designed for convenience, featuring a low profile and never flat wheels, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. Plus, it has an auto-stop feature that saves energy when not in use, which is a nice touch. However, some users have pointed out that it's a bit heavier compared to other electric models. Honestly, this could be an issue if you need to move it around frequently, but for stationary use, it's a powerhouse that handles tough jobs easily. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, reliable electric option for various cleaning tasks. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or more portable. At $109, it's worth the investment for the power and ease of use. Now, if you want something even more compact and user-friendly, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer. Finally, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer at $120.19. This one stands out with a 4.7-star rating from 5,500 reviews. If you want an electric washer with a bit more convenience, this could be your pick. This feature makes it easy to store and transport, which is great if you're moving around a lot for cleaning tasks. The 25-foot hose gives you extra reach, and it comes with multiple nozzle options for different tasks. It's user-friendly and designed for effective cleaning. However, some users mentioned that the foam cannon could be improved for thicker foam production. Here's the thing, while it may not be perfect, it still gets the job done effectively for most home cleaning jobs. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and user-friendly electric pressure washer. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty. For $120, it's a reasonable price for the convenience and features you get. So to wrap things up, we've covered 5 excellent options for pressure washers that work great with foam cannons. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is an affordable choice. The Westinghouse Foam Cannon offers professional-grade performance. The Tool Daily Dual Connector is all about versatility. The EPX 3050 delivers solid power, and the EPX 3100V combines convenience with performance. No matter which one you choose, you'll be well on your way to achieving a sparkling clean.